Hey there, a successful campaign is the bedrock of any good inbound marketing plan. And today we learn how you can create a campaign inside HubSpot.
Now let's talk about campaigns in HubSpot. In order to access campaigns, go to marketing and then click on campaigns. Now, in case you already had a campaign, it will show up here. Otherwise, you can click on create campaign. You can start from a template which would allow you to use the pre-made templates from HubSpot, or you can start a blank campaign from scratch. We are going to start from scratch. Click on next. Choose a campaign name. So for example, we want to track the people who have attended an event and how many tickets that we sold to them. Give it the name of ticket buyers. You can choose a specific campaign color as well. Campaign owner, you can assign somebody from your team in order to access and manage this campaign. In the campaign start date, you can select something which is appropriate. Similarly, for the campaign end date, assign a campaign goal, something like in the campaign audience, you can select the people who you want to target. And once all of this is done, you can click on create. So now our campaign has been made, and now you can add assets over here. You can also customize it further. Now, assets can be anything. It could be a blog post, call to action forms, landing pages, marketing emails, site pages, social posts, or even workflows. And you can add all of these things to your campaign. By clicking on the performance tab, you can check the performance of your campaign. In the attribution section, you can see how the contacts are interacting with you. And similarly, in the tasks section, you can create tasks related to this campaign. In the budget section, you can allocate how much resources you want to spend for this particular campaign.
So guys, I hope you learned something new today. You got to know how you can create a campaign inside HubSpot. In case you have any doubts, feel free to let us know via the comment section below. And you can always reach out to us via the one-on-one consultation call, which you can book by scanning the QR code on the screen in front of you. I'll see you guys soon in the next video.